You know a hypocrite. Because when me in, me no want hear nothing from a hypocrite. Now me take off the gold, uno say uno did like the crowd. Uno too mix up over your hypocrite, uno social media people, nobody can please. Uno too wicked and mix up and barbarous. Uno class, the gold teeth me have on and no classy go. Who I think a false teeth and no classy go and no classy come. No more rest it for a bit now, so no like it. Move man, uno too wicked and mix up over here. Me follow uno turn in a zeg. Now the reason why me take off the gold teeth because someone in the chat boy fast, me want show no sign of fast teeth. You know, go like I did fast teeth in there away or so. And as soon as me and nobody catch up, then go on the gold teeth. So I just rest it for you. Watch ya. Remember, you don't want to hear nothing from you, no too barbarous and mix up. Every time I have my gold teeth and come by on a classy gold teeth, and I say, I'm going to take out the old gold teeth on my mouth, this and that, way. No, I'm take out. Sure, every time I want to call, I come in. See ya. Marky, I see ya, Marky. Marky just stop keep Monday class and so listen now. Uno barbarous and wicked over here. Me having the gold teeth in the class, the gold teeth. Don't me take off the gold teeth. Uno son we like the gold teeth. At least the gold teeth can go out is a crown. But the reason I take off the gold teeth because uno feel like a false teeth. So I just get mad and show uno say it's a crown. Cause uno no sense. Uno no sense. When me have any gold teeth in the class, the gold teeth, me take a gold teeth so like move fire some man, I know I'm mad out. They on live and I call on my phone, me show me talk on live now. Could me dash my gold teeth, you idiot. And next week my right. Hush, sorry about that, was an important call. Sorry about that. Sorry about no, because the people them always go like people having false teeth. And when they me over idiot Noah. Class, no, you know what say me having veneers. Who know veneers different from real teeth? Who know veneers different from teeth? Remember say veneers them big and white. Remember this no white, you know? Remember veneers big and white. Remember see it there. I want cap over your store, it's a cap. I show me down on me and I take up my cap and show. Why do you make up on live and show me cap in my hand? I show me down on me and I left my cap in my yard. Me tell me go back and go home. Show me there town and then go for my cap and she buy show me. Was a cap. And your car suit people, you have any gold in class. If I don't have the gold team, I like the gold black this and the gold black that. And the ray and the gold this and the gold black this and the gold black that. And when they talk from me like I say the gold this chat them. Now the gold gone, so I like the gold. Go on and go on mad mouth and scatter my brain and turn me in a papi show and idiot. Nah look fool no way. I don't take me for idiot. Mom, I put on my crown, you know, because I like my crown and my crown give me one gangster image. I like my crown and my crown make me stand out. Because you see where they are? Where they are, I go match and a man and say, I know you're on YouTube. What is the name again? I tell me man in here. Man say, no, something is missing. I say, man say, what is the name? I say, Dyema. Say, something is missing. I'm gold teeth. I have to put him on gold teeth at my image. Man say, something is missing. I say, my gold teeth. The man, oh, yes. I have to put him on my gold teeth. And my image that, man, my road girl image, man. I like my gold teeth, man. Right now, I don't feel my face. And you say, I have my gold teeth, I'm 2 big years, I'm such a my neck. You feel like I know them gangster girl from Britain. Yeah, I mean, I'll tell you that my gold teeth. I mean, having my gold teeth, I look smooth. Like when I can't take me for either. I'm having my gold teeth, I look wicked. I need back my gold teeth, man. Back my gold teeth. That little smooth image, yeah. I'm going to try smooth it down for my birthday. So my birthday, you're going to know, I want a road girl back my thing. Because you say I having my gold teeth, and you come for book me for your show, I talk to you. For you see the gold teeth, you know, a bad business. The gold teeth represent bad. Them teeth, them normal teeth, yeah. You feel like me gentle and moist. You feel like me gentle and moist. I don't want to feel so many me put my gold teeth. I have to put on my cap. Because my cap give me a bad girl image. And people recognize me by my gold teeth. Because I tell the man said to me, say, I saw you on YouTube, but something is different about you. I say, the gold teeth, the man say, oh yeah. The man said, me say, Dyema. I have to put my gold teeth. Because when some girls see my gold teeth, they don't look for me. And some people see my gold teeth, them for them see the, you see the one side, yes, Miss Mercy, you see the gold teeth. I say the girl, they're a bad girl, you know. Seeing gold teeth, for, remember me, yeah, I'm a ninja man of family, gold teeth, front teeth, and gaga. I put my gold teeth, this too smooth. I don't like smooth, so I like gangster-ish. Yeah, represent money. Yeah. More while me I tell him, so listen, see, I go on my way and any 2 piece news and him so, because I make my gold teeth. My gold teeth give me a gangster image. For you see me gold and know, say, money over here, it is so. Yeah, I truth, me I tell you, man. Truth. You can't tell me, say, you good as. You can't tell me I look better without my crown. You not tell me I look better in a. My crown fit me more. You not tell me that. My crown give me a gangster image. You not tell me that. You know decide where fit me. Me decide where fit me. I feel my face and I feel. Listen now, where your name? Good as. Listen now. Decide if you fit your man. Don't decide if my teeth fit me, my girl. Just decide if you fit your man, or you look good at walk side your man, or if you old fit your man, cocky right. You know, tell me how my gold teeth fit me. Good as you're my fans and you're big up in this me I tell you, tell me what fit me. Just make sure say your man fit you. Your whole fit right. Right. Yeah. Straight up. Yeah, man. You want justice. What a problem with that? Yeah, but you want justice in the gold teeth. Stop it, man. You can't tell me what fit me better. You not tell me that. Me a dance, everybody come with that image. Everybody come with that image. And in a dancer, you have to have an image. An image sell you. Image is everything. Thirst is nothing. Elephant man don't tell you no. You have to have an image. You can't, when you're in a dance, you have to have an image. Is either you tattoo something you saw, or you come with some eye, or you come with something, but you have to come with something to draw the crowd. Image is everything. Thirst is nothing. So you know my goat, it is my image. The dancer, you have to have an image. Image over argument. Image over everything. Image is everything and thirst is nothing. When my TV spoil and I cap, I don't take my cap and brush my teeth at night time. I don't just do for business too much. First of all, you say you think it spoil for me. You look, you spoil your thing. Somebody say a false teeth. So you will all not think bad. It's a cap. Actually, I don't know me go up my live with my cap in my hand. So it's a cap. It's a cap. Anytime I reach back at me, I take up my cap and come by live and push it and show and say it's a cap. It's a cap. I come off and brush teeth. I just my image. I never used to like take it off. I used to feel funny because I wear it for so long. I take off, I feel funny. Yeah, that me I tell you. I take off, right now I feel funny because I used to. I used to feel weird, it make me feel funny. You have to have an image. Remember saying when my boy they come out, remember I come out with that black eye, Everybody they think say me eye. I did the real tattoo, me not call him name, That's an image. You understand me I say? The other one come out and put something in the forehead, so that's an image. Me come with my gold teeth, that's an image. Everybody have to have an image. You know the dancer have to have an image. Image is everything. Image is everything. Elephant man telling you already thirst is nothing. Image sell you. Image sell you. You have to have your image. You see, look how me look now. Me look smooth. Remember me gold teeth, me look gangster. Yeah, look how me just look smooth. It just look smooth like say. I want decent citizen. I don't know me a drunk. Remember I go to and I talk to me right now stay so. Right now me I talk to me and stay so. Me don't feel me can't come like I can't bad up myself. Me not feel bad, me not look bad, no time. Me just look like I one of the wristo girl that's right. Brother, me back my gold teeth. But me can't even bad up myself. Me have tried bad up myself. Through me having a little wristo looking hairstyle. The badness nah work that. Yeah, me like me gangster image dog. Gangster image give me a buzz back, a feedback. 2 boy call me and know if book me for a show now. For your video call me, you see me such a me go to it and the pan, but I say that me charge you know. For you see me go to it and know much. Call me right now, me I say